All right, you all, I got my mug beans on the fire cooking, and I decided to make a corn casserole. So this is made with whole corn, cream style corn, sour cream, butter, cheese, seasoning, honey. Oh gosh. Then I'm gonna pour it in this pan, and then we're gonna bake it. Oh my God, can you just imagine? You all, I have been just cooking up a storm today. But that's what I love to do. And I love to share with you all different things and different meals that you can prepare. Okay, y'all, this is the final results of the corn casserole. It looks good. Yes. As you can see, it is so delicious. Okay.